Hello everyone, hello my dear friends. I'm here. I want to show you how to pedal. You are learning tailoring, but you're struggling to pedal. It is not as easy. It is really something that takes time that you have to master, and you have to practice it over and over again. But it's just something very, very simple. If you use your head, you can get it within just few seconds. So what happens is we use this wheel to help us get the direction of the pedal. This wheel helps us to get the direction of the pedal. So you start it like this, you allow it to move, and you pedal following the direction. You get? Following the direction, you allow the pedal to move freely, 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 freely. Then, what I myself discovered, the trick behind this thing, the whole trick is here. Here, this is where the job is. Look at this thing. So I discovered that when this I don't know how they call it, when it is around here, I can pedal even if I don't move the wheel. I can still pedal from my left foot. I put my left foot forward a bit, and then my right foot will be like this. So this is the position I will use. So if if this is at this position, I will just use my left foot like this. You see, it is what you get. One. If it is down at that position, it is downward. It is downward. Okay. I will just use my right foot. My right foot like this. You see, it brings it down. I don't need even to touch the wheel. I don't need to touch the wheel. If it is at this position, you see this position towards me, this position, I will just use my left like that. Then if it is at that position, I hope you see, at this position like this, okay, this position, I'll still use my left. Okay, then if it is this at the other side, towards the wall, I will use my right foot and the machine like that, and the machine will still move. You see? Then if it is up here like this, my pedal has ended down. So there I will use the wheel to give me support, to allow the pedal to move like that. Okay. And this one. So that is the only trick. That is the only trick you have to follow. Just follow the direction of the pedal. Watch these things when you're learning. Just watch this thing. This is where the whole trick is. If it is this side like this, watch. I think it's on the right hand side. I will just press my left foot, and then it will what? It will move. Okay? Then if it is that the other side, yes, I just use my left foot. Then that side I will use my right. Okay, then my left. Then if it is there, I'll use my right. Okay, if it is this side, I will use my left. If it is that side, I'll use my I'll use my right. That is it.